understand what the hell does it take?
Time.
Yeah, well, these kids don't have time.
Honey, don't be so idealistic. This isn't gonna happen overnight. You gotta be patient. You're doing everything you can.
Well, it's not enough.
So it's up to me to discipline myself. What am I here for? The wealth or to maintain my health? Growing up I was a ghost, I went stealth and my image went south. Still living with my parents but I'm trying to move out. Never joined a sport, never earned a belt. Sometimes I pray to God, I pray and I shout. I know He seen me as I knelt, forever needing His help. Cause me, I always fall and get stuck in the kelp. Life's a gamble, I'm just trying to play the cards I was dealt. Every day there's a battle that goes on for our lives. Cheating and lying, from leaving babies hopeless to beating on wives. Many people surprised, still feeling deprived of who's real and who's fake. Who could hold it down when lives are at stake? But on from my town, every city and state. Don't really care to blow up, don't really care to inflate. I'm just trying to find the truth before it's too late. I'm just here to do work, got my shovel and rake. Put my heart and soul and everything for God to take. Though I struggle with faith, gotta maintain pace and try harder. Sacrifice for those you love, there is no greater honor.